Tabo-tabo ka ba sila? Wala kasi ko live na.
Balik sa. Tanong.
Hi guys! Welcome back to this very different channel! Today we're gonna learn how to fold a table napkin. Table napkin folding is very important because it makes your table setting pleasing and beautiful. So let's start with candle. Fold the table napkin into half by making a triangle. Then fold it like that. Then flip. And then roll. Then top. Okay. See? This is the candle. Looks like a candle because it is a candle. Now, let's make a bishop's hat. Again, fold into half, but this time into a rectangle. And then bring the tip down and the opposite side, which is this. And then you want to flip. Then fold into half. Like that. And then this, you want to grab this and do that. And you want to tuck into this little small thing. And flip. And you want to do the same on the other side. And voila! And here we go. Look! It's a bishop's hat! Ta-ding, ding, ta-ding! Oh! Now let's do the fan. Fold into half, making a rectangle. And do the fan fold. Now do the fan fold. I used to do this at school, but using with paper that time, and it was super fun until making in the fan. And we're gonna do the same, but not really. But yeah, let's do the fan fold. And then fold into half. Then you got this. Then you do that side and you flip. And then you do this, and you have this extra, which you do is wow, look at that! Oh, look at the flower. Fan. It's like a fan. It's a fan. Now let's do the pyramid. Fold in half, making a triangle. And bring both ends down. Then flip it over. And fold. And fold one more time. And voila! A pyramid! Look at this. It's a pyramid. Oh. Look at this. Wow. My favorite one about that. And the most easiest one of them all. And the candle. So, bye guys. I hope you learned something today. I hope you like this video. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell button so every time when I post a new video, you are the first one to watch it. Bye!